uncovering the best deals on the iPhone 11.
Hello and welcome to our latest video. Today, we'll be talking about a question that's on everyone's mind. Are there any discounts or deals available for buying an iPhone 11? Let's dive right in to find out.
Is iPhone 11 still available for purchase?
First, we need to confirm if iPhone 11 is still being sold. As of our last update in May 2023, Apple is indeed still selling the iPhone 11. However, the availability might vary depending on the region. It's always a good idea to check the official Apple Store or authorized retailers for availability.
Are there any direct discounts from Apple?
Apple, traditionally, does not usually offer discounts on its products. However, they do have a trade-in program where you can trade your old iPhone or other eligible smartphone to get credit towards your new iPhone purchase. This can significantly reduce the cost of your new iPhone 11.
Can you find deals at third-party retailers?
Yes, third-party retailers and carrier stores often provide promotional offers on Apple products including the iPhone 11. These discounts might include rebates, gift cards, or a significant price drop for a limited period. Remember to always compare prices across different platforms before making a decision.
Any deals for students or educators?
Yes, Apple provides an education discount for students and educators. If you are a student or an educator, you could save on Apple products including the iPhone 11 through the Apple Education Store. In conclusion, while Apple might not provide direct discounts, there are various ways to save on your iPhone 11 purchase. Trade-in programs, third-party retailer promotions, and educational discounts can all contribute to a reduced price. We hope this video has been helpful in your quest to find the best deals on an iPhone 11. Stay tuned for more such videos and happy shopping!